I'm going to do a video on checking for boost leaks. You can convert this, like if it's a VE truck or a P-pump truck, VP44, common rail, doesn't matter. I'm going to be using, I just bought this truck. You see it's smashed up a bit. The hood's all crunched in. But I don't know if this is going to turn into a parts truck or if this is going to turn into a something that I'm going to fix. It needs an engine and it has body damage, so I'm just not 100% sure what I'm going to do with it yet. But anyways, we're going to do a boost leak check, and I would imagine that this thing's probably going to leak, being that the intercooler is bent. But nonetheless, it'll show you guys that are having questions about checking for boost leaks. Now, this is what I use for checking boost leaks. Oop, as I throw it around. It's a regulator grade stainless steel hose, which doesn't mean to be. I've had this for a long time. And then it's a plate with a piece of pipe welded in it. Yeah, so I'm going to build a kit for the guys that want one. It'll be a super simple kit. It's just going to have a couple adapters. It's going to go, I think I'm going to go with 4, 5, and 5.5. That's for the boots. Or I might just do a basic with a regulator, a basic, which will come with a 4. And then if you want to buy the 5 and the 5.5, then we'll do it separately. But anyways, just thought I'd let you guys know if you're looking for one. I am going to build some. And it should be, I would say, I'm hoping before Christmas. But I got a bunch of stuff on the go and changing stuff around the shop. So I got, you know, like lots of stuff on the go here. But anyways, so this is a stock, this thing's stock. So I thought it would be perfect. So if you have stock turbo, whether it has a stock intake or not, what you need to do is you need to take your intake pipe off, and then we're going to put this on. Now, I do want to warn, I don't have my clamp that would usually go on here, which is a high pressure clamp. I have either lost it or we've used it for something else. So I'm just going to use a hose clamp. I'm not going to boost this one right up, and I think this one's probably going to have all kinds of leaks. So something else you are going to need is spray bottle, water, a little bit of soap in it, like just dish soap, or any type of liquid soap works. Now, so we'll pull this intake pipe off. Now, something I did want to mention, you want to be careful. You want to make sure you're using good clamps and fittings and stuff for doing a boost leak check. And depending on how high pressure you're going, for a stock truck, I usually don't go super high as far as pressures go, just because, of course that comes all good, just because the truck doesn't build a lot of pressure, so it doesn't, you know. But you get into higher horsepower applications. You know, if you're making 50, 60 pounds of boost, I like to pressurize it up pretty close to there. But it's like literally a rocket, the missile coming off there if it comes off. So you don't want it to come off, especially while your head is in there. So pretty simple. The boot just slides on. And you can build one of these things. You need some boots. You know, your local performance shop will probably have a 3 to 4 boot. You just want to make sure it's reinforced. Or you could do a 4 to 4 inch or like a 4 straight across, and then just build a plate, put an adapter in it. But I honestly, I've had a couple kits over the years, and I've actually sold them and then just used this because we basically use this all the same sizes, so I didn't need to change up. And the kit was just overkill for what I needed, I thought anyway. And those kits are, you know, you buy a lot of kits are pretty expensive. So, like I said, I will be doing a kit at some point. So, hook your regulator up, and all you're going to do, of course my fitting leaks, but preferably with having a fitting that doesn't leak is handy, because then you don't have to listen to it leak. But So obviously, this one's got some leaks. So all you got to do, like I said, this one's got a intercooler bent in it, so I'm sure it leaks all over the place, but just see. So I got that thing set right now at 50 PSI. Yeah, you can hear it. I was hoping that I'd be able to pressurize it up a little bit. The intercooler's got such a big hole in it, it won't even pressurize up. But so basically all you want to do, is just go in here and you just want to soak all of the boots, all of the fittings, you know, back of the turbocharger. You know, and you can soak the intercooler down it too if you wanted to, but you know, you want to get down and laying underneath the truck, you want to get down and do that intercooler boot there and all across here. Do your intake plate. You want to do everywhere. Anywhere that there's boost per se seeing, you want to be doing a boost leak check there, or spraying it down, I should say. Now, you would actually be surprised. So we use this thing all the time. I would say 90% of trucks that come in the door have a boost leak. So definitely, I would recommend checking your truck, especially if it hasn't been checked in a long time, or if you hear any whistling noises that are weird, like a pressure whistling noise. So just something for you guys to do. I recommend doing this on all trucks, anything with an intercooler, even a non-intercooled. You know, if you got intake leaks, you're losing efficiency, and one of those things. If you're losing efficiency, you're losing mileage, you're losing power, all that type of stuff. So you definitely want to be doing this. I'd recommend to do it to everything, like I said. You know, it's a short video. There isn't really that much to it. And like I said, I will start building some of these things. I have had guys ask in the past, but you know, I just have to get doing some of this stuff for you guys. I've got a bunch of emails on stuff that I've said that I'm going to build. So I got to start building some of this stuff. So, you know, if you guys are looking for it, I can help you out. And then any support will obviously help the channel and push this along. So anyways, you know, like, subscribe. Please subscribe if you're watching the video. I know there's lots of people that are watching the videos not subscribed. It'd be awesome if you could hit the subscribe button for me. And we'll catch you on the next one, guys.